Got a package from Webby. I don't know what it is, but I'm super excited about it. This is probably the first time I've gotten a package from Webby in a long time. Let's check it out, see what's in here. It's a t-shirt. Check that out! Yeah. I should try it on, huh? Pretty good. These are nice, man. It's a new Eddie and Webby t-shirt. Man, this is really nice. I like this. Hey guys, I'm Eddie, and this is a great time to talk about my Mavic Air. So what do I want to talk about today? These are 5 things that I absolutely love about my Mavic Air and 1 thing that I hate about it. The first thing that I love about it is the size. This thing is so nice and portable. It fits perfectly in this little case. I mean, it just fits perfectly in there. It's a very slim profile as well, which I like. Compared to the DJI Spark and Mavic Pro, this thing just blows it away. I mean, it's so much smaller and more portable than those drones. And having this case is perfect. It's easy. You can throw it into your backpack or luggage. It's very portable. The second thing I love about my new Mavic Air is the controller. Now, this is almost identical to the controller for the DJI Spark and very similar to the one for the DJI Mavic Pro. A couple things that I love about it though. First of all, the little joysticks you can see, they're not on there. They're actually removable and storable right in the controller itself. And they screw in like that, which is great. It makes it very portable. The other thing I love about the controller is the USB to lightning cable that connects my iPhone to the controller. Fits perfectly in there. It's got a real slim profile to it, and it folds up and keeps the cable in place. It's very nice. The third thing I want to talk about is Asteroid Mode. Now, I love this new feature. I think it just gives it such a cool effect. Now, maybe 6 months from now, it could be very overused. I could see that happening. But I definitely think it's one of DJI's coolest new quick shot modes. You know, there's not much else to say about it, so why don't I just show you? Number 4, Active Track. Now, I've used Active Track on both the Spark and the Mavic Pro, and I thought they did a great job, but I'm telling you what, Active Track on the Mavic Air is even better. I recently had a lot of time testing it out with my Jeep as the object that it was tracking, and it did a fantastic job. I feel like it keeps locked onto the subject at farther distances better than it did on the Spark or the Mavic Pro. And I also felt like that a couple times where maybe trees or things came in the way to block it, it was quickly to recover and lock back onto the object. I thought it did a great job. And number 5, things that I love about my new Mavic Air is having the internal storage. There's 8 gigabytes of internal storage on the drone, which is great, which really comes in handy. I have many other things that I love about my new Mavic Air that I could spend hours talking about. The flight autonomy, the 1080p at 120 frames per second for slow-mo, boomerang mode. These are all great things that I love, but there is one thing that drives me absolutely crazy. I'm serious, it drives me nuts, absolutely crazy. I can't stand it about this drone. And to some of you, this might not be a big deal, but for me, it drives me nuts. And that is getting the SD card in and out of this little slot here. Now, unless you have real long fingernails or tiny little fingers, it's quite burdensome. In order to get it out, you have to very carefully press into there. Okay, I got it popped out. But even now that it's popped out, getting your fingers around it in order to be able to get it out, it's just, there's nothing easy about it. There's nothing easy about it. See, I still can't even get it. There we go, finally, all right. So I was able to get the SD card out. But now that I have it out, now I want to get it back in. Same thing. It's actually quite challenging to even get the SD card back in. It has to slide in perfectly straight. And even once you have it in there perfectly straight, you still need tiny little fingers and a fingernail to be able to get it in there. You see it? Finally. That took me way too long and with way too much frustration to get an SD card in and out of a drone. It's one thing that I really wish would have been better with the Mavic Air. Now maybe somebody out there knows a tip or trick. If you do, throw it in the comments below. Maybe I'm just not doing it right. Well, that's it. 5 things that I love about my new Mavic Air and 1 thing that I hate about it. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and click that like button. And if you like puppies, make sure you subscribe.